All right, quick tip, you guys, because as I'm looking through the practice, they kind of changed up how they're asking questions in terms of the practice, and it's a little bit different than the examples in the chapter. So when the book or on the quizzes asks you what is the constant of proportionality, we were just checking to see if X and Y, because this would be X and this would be Y, if they were proportional, if there was a constant of proportionality. So they're going to ask you, well, what is it now that you know? So we know it goes through 0, 0. We know that X and Y are proportional. That's nice. But what's the constant of proportionality? So what it is you have to see what's the factor every time. What is this being multiplied? What is X being multiplied by? Well, it's being multiplied by 9. So in this case, 9 is the constant of proportionality. And remember, in the notes that was represented by K, so 9 is equal to K. That's the factor. That is the multiplicative relationship between the quantities. That's what's getting changed, the X, by every time. It's getting changed by multiplying by 9. So the other thing is to remember too, is that the unit rate ends up equaling the constant of proportionality, which is K. So if I were to look at any of these, for example, if I figure out, okay, $27 every 3 hours, $27 every 3 hours. If I find the unit rate, well, what is that? I simplify that. That is $9 per hour. That's the unit rate. And it's the constant of proportionality, which is K. Okay? So when it asks you that, if you find the unit rate, you have found the constant of proportionality. Make sense? All right? So just wanted to clearly call that out, that that's what you're doing. So hopefully you've watched this quick little tip before you started your practice. All right, take care.